How to achieve such a look in 2 minutes. This short-sleeved hanger. Not only can the width and length be adjusted, more original cuff struts can easily flatten the sleeves. Push your underarm clothes back. Greatly improve styling efficiency. After getting dressed, pull the short-sleeved struts apart on the back. Adjust the length of the sleeve. Open the cuffs. Push your underarm clothes back. Fold the back clothes. Leave the seam at the back of the garment. Pull up the excess clothes at the hem. Clip a clip together. Adjust the length. Flatten the clothes. Then tidy up the sleeves. It's done. Add wrinkle shadows later. High-end atmosphere.